Hi folks, Larry here. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I'm your host Larry. Real quick, mail call. This mail call comes from India. The gentleman's name is Heron, and he is the manufacturer of the Magna Carta fountain pen, which he will be on my Zoom channel tonight at 8 p.m. Central Time. So, quickly, I will open up the package and show you what's inside. But if you're interested, you can join me on my Zoom channel. And Mr. Announcer, you can tell them how to find the password while I get this open.
The codes are in the description box below, or you can look on mrannouncer.info for the info.
There you go. All right. All right. Get all this done. It's going to be a really interesting show, to say the least. It's going to be on. All right, here we go. Here we go. And here, the pen case and what's in it. Beautiful. Look at that. And there's that beautiful nib. Medium nib. And this is a piston filler. So, really super nice piston filler. Join me on Zoom Pen Hangout tonight at 8 p. Central Time. Catch the review in a few days on this pen. See you later.